Hi, my dear family, and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena, and today I'm making a very simple potato curry. I have many requests asking me to cook using a tomato and onion mix, which is the can. So I understand you have all of these cans that you've purchased during lockdown and you feel like the flavor is not ideal when it comes to your curries. And to those who are purchasing the tomato and onion mix for convenience, hopefully some of these tips will help you today. I first added some oil, and if you're using fresh onions and tomatoes, you can add your onions and braise it first and then add your ground spices. I'm doing it the opposite way around. So added my oil, a teaspoon of dhania powder, a level teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Therefore, you're going to get that vibrant, beautiful red color. I also add some cinnamon sticks, and then you want to temper your spices on a low heat. Once you've done that, you need to add some curry leaves. Now this is the X factor for me. My Yavi honestly keeps saying whenever I make this, he says, "Mom, this tastes like mutton curry." And I believe it's because of the curry leaves. So let those curry leaves simmer in all of those spices. If you have some green chilies, add some as well. And next we're going to add a can of tomato onion mix. If you are braising your fresh tomatoes and onions, you can add your teaspoon of ginger and garlic to the spices with your onions and tomatoes. When I'm using this method, I do sometimes prefer to add my ginger and garlic after. Once we've given everything a good mix, we are then going to add a dash of boiling water, followed by a very leveled teaspoon of sugar. Mix further, and you want it to simmer on this low to medium heat without a lid. The reason I keep my lid off for the first few minutes is I believe that somehow any of that preservative taste is somehow evaporated. I don't know if there's any science behind that, but it does seem to work. You can then close your lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. Thereafter, add a heaped teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Mix it in. Simmer again for only a couple of minutes. And once you're done, you are now ready to start adding your diced potatoes. Today I'm using approximately 5 medium-sized up-to-date potatoes. And if you have very hard potatoes, what you can do is pierce them all first before adding them to your chutney, so they can cook quickly, evenly, and you get a very beautiful soft potato. Add salt to taste. Also add some boiling water. So you want to add enough boiling water that it almost covers your potatoes. This will give you a beautiful gravy. So you're now going to close your lid and let it cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. And once the potatoes are ready, I add a heaped teaspoon of butter. And this is optional, you don't have to. I do like to add it. It gives it a little bit of richness. And once you're done, you can look at that beautiful gravy. I didn't have any fresh dhania today, but look at that gravy. Wow. You can sprinkle with some fresh dhania and enjoy. This is such a simple potato curry using that can of tomato onion mix, and I promise you, you won't taste the difference. In fact, the gravy is divine. Enjoy your potato curry with rice, roti, and I love it with butter bread, whatever you prefer. And remember, as usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always welcome. Thank you for watching. This is Selena. Have a beautiful day.